Today we're going to make scalloped potatoes. We've got our potato peeled here, and when you slice your potatoes you want to cut it evenly so it cooks evenly. Butter. I have a tablespoon of butter melting here. So you're going to line up your potatoes, overlapping them. I have the butter melting. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of cream and 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some pepper. And garlic. The shredded cheese I add only when I take it off the heat. I'll mix this up. I put a tablespoon of parmesan cheese. With the starch of the potatoes, the cream will thicken as you bake it in the oven. I put the head of the potato, I put it under the top layer of potatoes to hold up the potatoes in an angle. Our cream is ready. We're going to switch off the flame and add our cheese. We'll give it a stir. So the cheese is in our sauce, and we're going to put it on top of our dish. As so. I've lined up my pan with parchment paper because the cheese can get really sticky and it will be difficult to wash. For a minute I'm going to cover my potatoes. 350 for 45 minutes.